Hey everyone, welcome to your most awaited step-by-step guide on creating a course in Academy LMS. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Navigate to the Academy LMS Courses menu. Click on Add New Course. Set course title and description. Add a feature image. Implement a course intro video. Turn on/off the question and answer section for the course. Define the course duration. Set up how many students can enroll. Set up enrollment expiration days. Select course difficulty level. Pick the course language. Navigate to additional info from course settings. Highlight the benefits of the course. Define the target audience and requirements. Detail what is in the course. Explore the content drip setting. Enable content drip, select content drip type. Now move to Course Builder. Here, the SCORM file uploads option. Now click on Add New Curriculum. Set the curriculum title and add a summary. Create sub-curriculum if needed. Click on Add Content. Start from scratch or build from existing. You can create lessons, quizzes, assignments, meetings, and tutor bookings from here. Let's start creating the first lesson. Click on Add Lesson to create a lesson for this course. Input the lesson title. Here you have the option to make the screen size as you want. Input the lesson content description. Upload a feature image. Turn on/off the lesson preview option. Pick a video source and input your lesson video URL. Set lesson duration time. Upload an attachment if you have one. Lastly, click on the Add Lesson button, and done! The created lesson is here. Now let's add a quiz. Again, click on Add Content. Select Add Quiz. Add quiz title and description. Hit Save and continue. Set question title and description. Choose a question type and define the point. Modify question settings as needed. Click Add Question to add more questions. Now, from the Settings section, show or hide question number and hide quiz time. Set time limit, question order type, and passing grade percentage. Choose quiz feedback mode and set retry attempts. If retry mode set the attempt limit, click Finish. Here in the Course Builder, you can find the created quiz. Create an assignment. Click Add Content and create an assignment for the course. Set assignment title and summary. Upload an attachment. Set time limit, total points, and minimum passing points. Hit Add Assignment, and your created assignments appear in the Course Builder. Set up a meeting with students. Click on Add Content and create a meeting. We are showing Create Meeting with Google Meet. Choose Create Meeting with Google Meet. Add meeting title and summary. Pick time zone, start time, and end time. Hit Add Meeting. You can now find a meeting has been added. Create a booking for a one-on-one session. Click on Add Content and create a tutor booking. Add booking title and content. Set booking type as free or paid. Categorize your booking. Choose class type, time zone, and booking duration. Schedule a meeting date. Pick booking start and end time. Hit on Add Booking, and you are done. Tutor booking has been added to the Course Builder. Set course type as free, paid, or public. If paid, set the regular price and sale price. Add the course to a category and add some tags. Input an excerpt. Set course prerequisites if needed. Finally, publish the course. In the Courses menu, your course is now added. Here's an overview of the created course. That's all about creating courses in Academy LMS. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.